In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check Telegram group members on your PC, step by step, using either Telegram Desktop or Telegram Web. This is a quick and useful tutorial if you want to view who is inside a group, check the member list, or see which admins are in a larger group. If this helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Telegram Desktop on your computer, or open Telegram Web in your browser if you prefer not to install anything. Once you're signed in, go to the group you want to check. You can find it in your chat list on the left side of the screen. Click on the group to open the conversation. After the group opens, look at the top of the chat window and click on the group name. This will bring up the group info panel, where Telegram shows the details for that group. In this section, you'll usually see the group photo, description, and other settings, along with the members area. Now, scroll through the member list to see who is currently in the group. If the group has fewer than 200 members, Telegram will show you the full list of members, so you can browse everyone in the group. But if the group has more than 200 members, Telegram will only display the admins instead of the complete list. That's a Telegram limitation, so if you don't see every member, that's completely normal. In larger groups, you can still check who the admins are, which is helpful if you're trying to contact a moderator or verify group management. If you're using Telegram Web, the process is almost exactly the same. Open the group, click the group name at the top, and then review the member section in the info panel. The layout may look a little different depending on your browser or screen size, but the steps remain the same. If you're having trouble finding the list, make sure you click the group title itself and not just open a message. That's the key step that reveals the full group information. And just to recap, for groups under 200 members, you can see everyone. For groups above 200 members, you'll only see admins. So if your goal is to check Telegram group members on PC, that's the fastest way to do it. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.